Most people take notes like this. They just list down points one after the other. The notes feel organized when you're writing them, but when you come back later, they're surprisingly hard to use. You just end up reading everything again just to find the one idea that you wanted to write the note about. The problem is really not how much you write, but it's about how your notes are structured. Let me show you a much simpler system that actually works. You'll notice that everything is in one place. For instance, you have some ideas here about how notes should be organized. Then you have other ideas about how other people are writing notes. And then you have a thought about how this poses a problem when you want to revise the notes. In the next paragraph, you're talking about different ways to take notes, which is also part of note taking, but a slightly different idea. In the third paragraph, you're talking about linking ideas that are present across different notes. So now the part that poses a problem is that you have a bunch of different concepts that are put together as part of a single note. When you come back later to review the note, you don't really know which part of the note to look at. You just end up scanning the entire note again and again, even if you only need one small portion. Now, this was just a very small note, but over time, as your notes grow larger and larger, this is going to become harder and harder for you to manage. It's not that this note or your notes are wrong, they're just not structured in a very useful way. Everything in one place like this. Let's try to build a different note taking system. Let us start by treating each idea as a separate unit. Here, instead of one long note, I'm going to split it into smaller notes with each note focused on one single idea. For instance, this one note is focused on the problems with traditional notes. It talks about how traditional notes include multiple ideas that are mixed together with no clear separation between the concepts. This makes it difficult to revisit specific information. Let's look at another such note, which talks about why your notes become inefficient. So, in this note, you have a single idea about the different ways in which your notes are becoming inefficient. One such idea is that revision takes longer, important ideas become harder to find, and the connections between the topics are not visible. Let's look at another note that has been created. This talks about a better note structure, and the idea is that you use only one idea per note. Keep each such note very focused, use very clear titles for such notes, and you expand upon those ideas separately in those notes. There is one other note about connecting ideas that says that you must link the related notes together. And this way, instead of having isolated notes, you're creating a system of related notes. There's any real benefit to building such a note taking system? Well, the real benefit comes when you start connecting related ideas. For example, this note about the problems with traditional notes talks about what problems you have when you write notes in their traditional messy format. And this idea is linked to why the notes are becoming inefficient. So instead of keeping these ideas as separate notes, you link them. Now, when you open this note, you see that you're talking about the reason why your notes are becoming inefficient. Naturally, that leads you to the next question, whether there's a better note structure. So you have created a note for that, you link this note to that other note. Here you talk about what are the components of a better note structure. And from here, you go to how to connect ideas between notes. So this way, you see that instead of having isolated notes, you have a system of notes that are connected to each other. This makes it much more easier to explore and understand the relationships between the different topics that you've written about. When your notes are structured like this, you'll find that you do not need to go through everything again and again. You can directly move to the idea that you're referring to or you want to review. Over time, this is going to make your revision of notes much easier and much faster. More importantly, your notes actually help you think and not just store information. Remember, the goal is not to write more and more notes, but to make your existing notes more and more useful. If you try this approach, you'll notice the difference very quickly.